Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Material 3 Figma kit and duplicating it into your project. Immediately create a base frame like 360 x 800 and enable the 8DP grid so spacing stays consistent. Next, import or link the design tokens, colors, typography, and corner shapes, and convert them into local styles you can override. This ensures components inherit the system by default. Once done, make a small test screen to validate tokens, respond to style changes, before building screens at scale. Now you assemble screens using the kit's components and their variants, app bars, navigation bars, cards, and buttons, because variants keep interactions consistent. You should modify tokens where possible instead of editing instances. Tokens propagate changes across components. Use auto layout and responsive constraints to ensure elements resize predictably and nest components inside frames for reusable patterns. Once you have a layout, test variant states and elevation by toggling tokens, which reveals how visual changes ripple. To finish, publish your styles and components as a team library and version incrementally so changes are trackable. Make sure to run accessibility checks for color contrast and touch targets and confirm typography scales properly. If something breaks, relink the broken styles first, then reset instance overrides to inherit token updates. If problems persist, examine the token hierarchy for unintended local styles. This workflow keeps your Material 3 implementation predictable and easy to update across screens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.